Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshi. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin at bago po nating viewers. Ito po yung ating reading for October 11, 2023. So, tignan po natin kung ano yung message o energy na mababasa po natin o gustong iparating sa'yo itong araw na ito. Ano po yung kailangang malaman ni Pisces para sa October 11, 2023? Okay, Pisces. So, itong October 11, 2023. Yung pinaka nangyayari is, there is something na medyo nababurden ka, no? With the 10 of Wands. Okay, nakikita nyo ba? 10 of Wands. Ito yung isang bagay o maybe damdamin na gabay suko ka na. Parang gusto mo sabihin talaga sa iyo, gusto mo sabihin kay God, gusto mo sabihin sa universe, o gusto mo sabihin sa person mo, o sa boss mo, o sa trabaho mo, sa pamilya mo, sa kaibigan mo, na tama na, enough na, I'm done, ayoko na. With the 10 of Wands. Pagod na ako. Hindi ko na kayang gumawa pa, kumilos pa, o may ibigay pa sa'yo. Sukdulan na. Kaya kung panahon na para tapusin ko ito, alsin itong mabigat sa aking kalooban, ilabas, sabihin, iparating, ipahiwatig. Okay? The 10 of Wands. Noon, meron kang, alam mo yung energy mo noon is sobrang taas. With the Queen of Wands, talagang, kung gaba buhay na buhay ka, binibigay mo lahat ng enerhiya mo, yung energy mo, yung lahat ng pwede mong idulot, yung creativity mo. No, ganun ka yung aksyon, no? Aksyon na binibigay mo is talagang sige, go. No? Hindi ka mapapagod, hindi ka papapigil. Talagang gagawin mo with all your heart and might. Maybe because dahil meron kang winish, no? Meron kang gustong matupad sa iyong future. And hanggang ngayon, you're praying for that. Pinagdadasal mo to na matupad. Pinagdadasal mo kay God na please, ipagkaloob mo to sa akin. Ibigay niyo po ito sa akin. Matanggap ko na po itong aking pinagdarasal o ito pong aking pinapanalangin sa inyo. And I think it has something to do with somebody from your past, with the 6 of Cups. Kasi itong person na to, maybe bumalik siya, no? Bumalik siya na hindi mo akalain o hindi mo ina-expect. And yung pagbalik niyang ito, ang nadulot kasi ito is pag-aalala, pag-iisip. Pero pinakita mo na yung lakas mo is, hindi ko to masyadong iindangin. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? Niindang. Kung ba parang, I will not take this so much. No? Kasi this is supposed to be your strength. With the Knight of Swords, this is something na, kung ba yung negative side nito is you worry, nag-worry ka, pinag-iisipan mo mabuti. But, pinakikita mo yung opposite nito. Pinaglalaban mo na hindi. Oo, iniisip ko, but hindi ako bibigay, hindi ako magpapakadala-dala dito sa aking kinukutob o pinag-aalala. Kasi naniniwala ako, balang araw matutupad yan. Okay? If this is something to do with a relationship, kasi andito yung Queen of Wands, andito yung King of Wands. So this is a pair, no? A couple, isang match. And you know na talagang kung ba you're meant to be. Maybe that's why may bumalik. Okay? May bumalik at hindi mo inaasahan. You didn't expect this. Nababalik siya. Or maybe you prayed for it, but you didn't expect na mangyayari ng ganon. Okay? I mean, sometimes, di ba, we pray, we wish, pero nagbabakasakali tayo minsan, di ba, na sana pakinggan tayo ni God, na sana marinig niya yung aking prayers. But we are not really that hopeful kasi alam natin na baka hindi talaga meant for us, no? Baka yung hinihiling natin na dinadasal-dasal natin kay God hindi na sa kanyang plano para sa atin. Which is always possible. Pero syempre, at the back of our mind, hoping na sana pagbigyan ako. Okay? And I think you will get your wish. Kasi with this, no, with the King of Wands, which is a pair, dito sa Queen, you will have your new beginning. With the Ace of Wands, something very, very passionate. Something na matagal mo nang inintay, Pisces. You've waited for it. You've been very patient, waiting for it. No, to a point na hindi ka na kumikilos. No, I mean, pinapabayaan mo lang. You've just been very patient about this. And what's gonna happen is because of your patience, you will receive your 10 of Pentacles. Ito na. Maybe this is what you've been praying for. To receive everything. To be successful sa relationship. To have a happy family. Magkaroon ng maraming pera o sapat na kaperahan habang sa inyong pagtanda para sa inyong mag-asawa o mag-couple o magka-partner at para rin sa mga bata if you have children at mag-extend pa sa inyong mga apo eventually, di ba? So, whatever it is na talagang sabihin natin na pinag-umpisahan nito na something na mabigat, something na give up ka na. Maybe because it is only time that you do it. Panahon na para sabihin mo na, ayoko na talaga give up mo na to. Whatever this is that you wanted to give up, no, take it as it resonates. Kasi general po reading to. Is something na talagang baka panahon na para i-give up nyo. Diba? Huwag kang matakot kasi with the 9 of Swords, don't worry. Kasi whatever you're wishing, would definitely, ang outcome niya is maganda. Okay? Maganda yung outcome. So, nothing to worry about. Since you're gonna have your pair, you're gonna be meeting yung pinaka match mo, no, in the future, wala kang dapat i-worry. Okay? So, tignan natin. Or let me see. Tignan natin kung ano yung message pa na gustong ibigay sa inyo. We have, 1111. This is the 1111 is an important number for twin flames. It symbolizes the harmony and balance of soul counterparts. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ito yun. Ito yung Six of Cups. Could be somebody na from your past na talagang that signifies na ito yung ka-twin flame mo. Kaya maybe it's time for you to give up. Kung ano yung whatever this current thing or past na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, because you need to prepare for this. You need to prepare for your twin flame. Kasi hindi kayo mag-meet, hindi nyo mabubuo yung union kung hindi ka ready. Bond. A love bond grows stronger over time. Yes. See? Talagang merong kayong magiging bond nitong dalawang to. Itong person mo. Malakas na pagsasama. Kasi nga, you're meant to be. You're destined to be, to meet now. Kailangan magkita na kayo. Kailangan maklear mo na itong mga negative energy na to. And then, para dumating na siya sa buhay mo, no? Yung past mo, bumalik, dumating na siya, magkita na kayo, alsin mo itong pag-worry kasi lahat ng pinagpipray mo, wini-wish mo, would have that strong bond. Okay? So, Pisces, maganda yung reading. So, nothing to worry about. Okay? Yun yung concern. Nothing to worry about. Okay? I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.